Hello everyone, I hope you are enjoying our recipes, and if you love to watch them, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of such amazing recipes. In this video, we will see how to make chocolate hazelnut cake. Everyone loves chocolate, and when it is combined with hazelnut and homemade Nutella, then it is a heavenly experience. So without any further delay, let's get started. In a sieve, add 200 grams of all-purpose flour, sieve the flour. Now remove 2 tablespoons of flour and add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. To this, add 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Mix well and make a homogeneous mixture. Keep this aside. Take 2 more bowls and separate 3 eggs, egg whites and egg yolk. For making eggless cake, replace eggs with 1/4 cup of curd or 2 ripe bananas. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar to the egg yolks and mix well. Now whip the egg whites till they form soft peak. Transfer egg yolks to egg whites. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of dry ingredients at a time to egg whites and mix until well combined. Make sure you do not overmix. Add 1/4 cup of milk at a time and keep mixing until the desired consistency is achieved. Make sure to scrape the sides every time you add the dry ingredients. Batter should be of the thick flowing consistency. Now add 100 grams of melted butter and ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. Combine well. Divide the batter evenly into 2 cake molds. Here I am using 5-inch cake mold. Tap the cake molds to remove the air bubbles. Bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. Insert a knife or a skewer to check whether it is baked or not. Let it cool till room temperature. For making chocolate ganache on a double boiler, combine 200 grams of dark chocolate compound with 100 grams of fresh cream, that is in the ratio 2:1. Mix well until it forms a homogeneous mixture. Refrigerate the ganache for about an hour or two. Until then, let's make hazelnut praline. For making hazelnut praline, dry roast 100 grams of hazelnut and keep it aside. In the same saucepan, add 1 cup of sugar and caramelize the sugar. Make sure you do not burn the sugar. As soon as the sugar starts to caramelize, add the roasted hazelnuts to it. Coat all the hazelnuts with the caramel and transfer it on a silicone shell. Let it cool down. Once it cools down, break them into pieces. Keep 1/4 part for garnishing and grind all the remaining pieces to form a paste. Now for making Nutella, roast 1 cup of hazelnuts. Grind these hazelnuts to make a fine powder. Now I am transferring the hazelnut powder to a bigger container because I need to add some more ingredients to it. Add 1 tablespoon of flavorless oil and mix well. Now add 1 more tablespoon of flavorless oil and keep grinding until you get the Nutella consistency. Once you get the Nutella consistency, add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, half cup of powdered sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend everything well and then add 1/4 cup of milk powder and keep blending till you get the desired consistency. Now let's assemble everything. Cut the top of the cake to get an even cake top. Now cut it horizontally to get 2 even layers. Place the butter paper to avoid the mess. Now apply some ganache so the cake doesn't move. Place one layer over the ganache. Apply milk over the layer through a brush to give a milk wash. Apply chocolate ganache on the circumference of the cake. Inside the ganache, pipe out hazelnut praline paste and Nutella. Repeat all the layers in the same way. Apply chocolate ganache all over the cake. Refrigerate this cake for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, make sure the chocolate ganache is applied evenly all over the cake. Decorate the cake with hazelnut praline pieces and some Nutella. Refrigerate the cake for more 30 minutes. Now just indulge yourself into the cake and let me know in the comment section whether you loved it or not.